Stop learning cybersecurity the wrong way. Every day, thousands of students jump between hacking videos, Python tutorials, Linux commands, cloud security, and random certifications. After months of learning, they're still confused. Not because cybersecurity is difficult, but because no one showed them the right roadmap.
The biggest mistake is trying to learn everything at the same time. Cybersecurity isn't one skill. It's an entire ecosystem. Without a roadmap, you'll waste months, or even years, learning the wrong things.
Before learning hacking, learn networking. Understand IP addresses, DNS, HTTP, TCP, UDP, routing, because every cyber attack starts with a network. Next, master Linux. Learn the terminal. Navigate files. Manage permissions. Understand processes. Use networking commands. Almost every cybersecurity professional uses Linux every single day.
Then learn Python. Not to become a software engineer, but to automate repetitive tasks, analyze logs, write simple scripts, process data faster. Automation is one of the most valuable cybersecurity skills. Now you're finally ready to learn cybersecurity. SOC operations, threat detection, incident response, cloud security, digital forensics, web security. Everything starts connecting together. Don't chase certifications before building real skills. Certificates may get attention, but skills get you hired. Build projects. Create a home lab. Practice every single day. Real learning happens when you practice. Investigate alerts. Analyze malware. Complete TryHackMe rooms. Solve capture the flag challenges. Stop comparing yourself to cybersecurity experts. Every professional started as a beginner. Stay consistent. Keep learning. Trust the process. You'll get there.
The roadmap is simple.
Networking, Linux, Python, security fundamentals, hands-on labs, real-world projects, SOC skills. Follow the roadmap. Don't waste another year watching random cybersecurity videos. Learn in the right order. Practice consistently. Build real-world skills. That's how professionals are made.
If you're serious about building a cybersecurity career, this is just the beginning. Subscribe for practical cybersecurity content.